Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss some statistics. Number 21. The table below shows the masses of Form 3 students in a class. So the masses are recorded here and their respective frequencies. Now we are told to state the model class. It should be known that the model class is the class that has the highest frequency. So we go to the frequencies. And now we identify the class that has the highest frequency. I think it's the class with a frequency of 18. So that class is 55 to 59. 55 to 59. Then calculate the mean. For us to calculate the mean, we need to come up with the midpoints of all these classes. A midpoint is usually abbreviated X in statistics. So we can get the midpoints of every class. When we take 30 and 44 and we divide by 2, the midpoint is 37. Then I would like also us to calculate the product of each frequency and the midpoints for the respective classes. So now I'll multiply 37 by 2. That will be 74. Then we are having from 45 to 49. The midpoint is going to be 47. So 47, I multiply it by a frequency of 8. This will give us 376. Then we have from 50 to 54. Then we divide by 2. This is going to be 52. Then the midpoint of 52 by 15 as the frequency, 780. This is going to be 55 to 59. Over 2, we will get 57. 57 by 18. This is giving us 10 to 6. Then this is going to be 62. 62 by 8, which is the frequency there, 496. We also having this will be 67, the midpoint. 67, we'll multiply it by 4. This will give us 268. Then we have 72 times 1. It will remain 72. So we need now to calculate the summation of f of x, so that we may know when we sum up the products of all the frequencies and the midpoints, what do we get? 74 plus 376 plus 780 plus 1026 plus 496, then plus 268 plus 72. This is going to give us 3092. 3092. So now we will say that mean is usually given by the sum of fx out of the sum of f. This is equal to 3092 out of the sum of f. So for me to get the sum of f, instead of adding them, let me calculate directly the cumulative frequencies, CF. So the first one is 2, plus the second one, 10, plus the third one, 25, plus this one, we get 43, plus this one, we get 51, plus 4, 55, plus 1, 56. So now we're going to have out of 56. So we're going to have a mean of, when we divide by 56, 52.21. 52.21. So this is going to be the mean mass for that class. We are also going to calculate the median, correct to 4 significant figures. So median is usually given by median M, lower class boundary of the median class, plus n out of 2 minus cumulative frequency just before the median class, divided by frequency of the median class, multiplied by the class width, still for the median class. Therefore, we need to first of all identify median class. That is the class which is carrying n out of 2, total frequency over 2. So when we take total frequency, that is 56 out of 2, we get 28. Therefore, we are going to use the cumulative frequency column and check where 28 lies. Not in the first, not in the second, not in the third, but in this one. So between 55 and 59, that becomes our median class. So median class is 55 to 59. That is where 28 lies. That is where the 28th student, or is the middle student, lies. So we're going now to have substitution in the formula, whereby I'll need, because the class is 55 to 59, now I need the lower class boundary here, which will be 54.5 plus 56 out of 2 minus cumulative frequency just before this class. So cumulative frequency at the class is 43, but we want cumulative frequency just before the class. So we pick 25 out of frequency of this class. So the median class has a frequency of 18. Now the class from 55 to 59 with a lower boundary of 54.5 and the upper boundary of 59.5, the class width is going to be 5. So we multiply this by 5. Then now we can compute 54.5 plus, when we take 56 over 2, we are getting 28. We subtract 25. Then we multiply this by 5 and we divide it by 18. This will become 0.8333 recurring. So we can reach there. But now we add our 54.5. This becomes 0.333, but now we want it to fall as F. So it's enough this way. This is going to be the median. Thank you. Subscribe and share.